everyone. Today I wanted to show you how I do a Piriformis stretch on the foam roller. It's my favorite technique that I do to help improve the mobility in my lower body. So for this exercise, you're going to sit on your foam roll, and the leg that you want to stretch is the leg you're going to cross over, just like this. To have a more intense stretch, bend your knee up closer to your body. For less of a stretch, you can straighten out your leg a little bit more. And then you're going to turn onto the side of the hip that's bent and slowly use your arm to help you move up and down the foam roller. You can go as far up and down as is comfortable, and then also rotating your body to make sure that you get all angles of your hip. I use this technique both as a warm-up before I exercise to help improve my mobility, and also at the end of a workout during my cool down to help reduce the onset of soreness. So next time you're near your foam roller, try this exercise out and see how much it can make you feel better.